Piece by piece, the former Saputo dairy plant is dismantled through deconstruction, not demolition.
Ideally, we're transferring the product to a future project and not sending to landfill.
Instead of materials being thrown in the trash, they're sorted and some are repurposed.
This is unprecedented in the sense that it's the first deconstruction project of this scale in Western Canada. It's the biggest in Western Canada. About a third of what goes into Metro Vancouver's landfills is construction and demolition waste.
All this material is destined to be used on the exterior of the waste-to-energy plant.
The project is part of a growing shift among the construction industry across Canada aimed at supporting a circular economy.
We're looking at about 500,000 pounds of recovered timber. We're looking at about 170,000 pounds of recovered glulam and tongue and groove. That's from one project.
This nonprofit has been working closely with companies to implement greener initiatives on construction sites, like here, where the new Hold'em overpass is being built.
We brought dedicated bins onto each of the construction sites. They had signage, so all the crews knew and they were trained to take plastics and put them into that container. And then that container is taken off-site. The material is sorted by resin type, so the kinds of plastics, because there's many different kinds of plastics that show up on a construction site.
He says packaging accounts for the majority of single-use plastic on construction sites, and changes to government policy and infrastructure is needed. This year, Ottawa is set to expand regulations for the construction industry, requiring companies to track and report plastic usage and waste.
There's a number of local governments that are leading the charge in terms of creating a more sustainable construction sector. Cities like Burnaby, Richmond are really leading with deconstruction bylaws.
Materials like steel will be taken from the old Patello Bridge, melted down and reused.
The construction industry is an industry that has one of the most key and vital roles to play in terms of looking at opportunities to recycle major materials.
So all of this wood here was from the office space?
Back at the site of the old dairy plant, plans for new housing and commercial development are underway. Janella Hamilton, CBC News, Burnaby.